Good morning, everybody. Will here at Ocean City, Maryland. I just got out on the water. It is currently 6:17 in the morning, and got out here a little later than I wanted to. As you can see, the water is flat, calm. A whole bunch of small bait fish popping back here, but one of the insider members, Rich, he had actually posted a mid-Atlantic report on my hometown, and I'm gonna go check out some of the spots he was talking about and put some of the methods and the tactics that he was describing in his video to good use, and hopefully we'll hook up on some decent fish. It's a beautiful morning, absolutely calm, no one out here yet, so for a Sunday that's pretty good. Usually people are trying to get it in before they go back home to wherever they're from for the weekend, so it can get pretty busy. It still might towards the afternoon, but hopefully I'll be done by then. I'm trying to get a short, sweet morning session in, and hopefully within the next couple hours we can make something happen. So I'm gonna jet over to the first spot now. Alright guys, so finally getting up to this island right here. I've been creeping up on it really slow, kind of let the dolphins funnel out of this channel, and hopefully things are semi-returning to normal. Small bait fish are still flipping, so hopefully there's still some life around. I'm finally getting up to where I can kind of fish this shallow area. I'm not sure if my lure has been able to hit the bottom. The current's ripping a little too hard. I might have to switch to a jig, probably like a 3/16. If I have to, I'll just switch it up. But we've got a light onshore breeze right now, and I'm planning on fishing this whole wind-blown side right here and just kind of creeping up past it. I'm in autopilot right now, and I've got a really slow drift going, so hopefully I can just keep this up and maybe nab us a fish. So far, I'm really liking the Stealth Sniper by Bull Bay. I really like this exposed blank right here in the hand grip. I find that it holds my hand really nice. Something just flipped right behind my lure over here. Oh, got him. All right, guys, we got him. Nice flounder. Oh, he's actually a little bit bigger than I thought. Got on the board here. We got, with the mouth closed, 17 1/4, guys. Wow. Really nice fish. Second cast on the actual island, and that guy's a beauty. There you go, guys. So Rich just put that Northeast Insider report out. I came to this island. I even had dolphins contesting me for the spot, and still managed to second or first cast, maybe. I think it was like my second cast. We were able to pull in a 17-inch flounder right there. I mean, right off this point. So I could only imagine what else is down there. I'm gonna keep throwing that jerk shad, and hopefully we'll get another couple flounder. Usually if there's one, there's more to follow, so cheers.